This is Khadas Mind, a brand new modular mini PC from Khadas. Despite its small size, it's packed with some impressive specs. As I mentioned earlier, this is a modular PC. They will be selling accessories and add-ons to make it more versatile for all kind of usage. Take a look at the picture. You can see a bunch of modules or add-ons. I'm interested in this portable display-like monitor and a graphics module that comes with an RTX 4070 Ti. With this module on, you can turn this mini PC into an absolute gaming beast. Talking about the Mind itself, it is powered by an Intel i7 1360p 12-core 16-thread CPU with the max clock speed up to 5 GHz. Regarding the RAM and the storage, we got non-user upgradable 32 GB of 5200 MHz RAM and 1 TB of storage. We can also expand it by adding an M.2 SSD at the bottom. It has built-in Intel Iris Xe iGPU with 96 execution units running at 1500 MHz. This iGPU has decent graphics power and will also handle some games. Not to mention it supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Speaking about the build quality, it's built with aluminium alloy and feels really premium in hand. On the front, there is a power/reset button along with the small LED indication. On the left side, there are air vents and same is present on the right side as well. Turning around the back, there is a variety of I/O options including 2 USB Type-C ports that also support display out as well, 2 full-size USB 3.2 ports and a full-size HDMI port. But guess what? If you need even more ports, they have got something called the Mind Dock, a module that provides tons of I/O options for all your needs. I actually have that module here, so let's quickly unbox it. At first glance, you can see that it has a lot of I/O ports. Now let me quickly attach it to the main unit. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now we have multitude of I/O options. We have 2 more USB 3.2 ports, 2 additional HDMI ports, LAN connectivity and an extra Type-C port. Turning around to the front, we can see another USB 3.2 port, a headphone jack, a power indication and a dedicated SD card slot. And that's not all, there is also a cool volume knob on the top along with a fingerprint sensor. And the best part is you can attach up to 4 displays and use them simultaneously. That's pretty much covers the overview. If you wanna learn more about the specs, check out the link in the description box. Okay, I have set up the Khadas Mind along with the Full HD 144Hz monitor. We have Windows 11 Home installed here. Actually, I have been using this mini PC as my secondary one and trust me guys, this little machine does the job really well. That's why I have customized the desktop to match the way I need it. Based on my experience using this PC as your normal desktop PC works really fine. It has more than enough power to handle your daily tasks like browsing, watching YouTube, Netflix, checking emails, photo video editing and even playing some games. So as you can see, browsing the internet provides a very smooth experience, no problem at all. They have launched this mini PC on Kickstarter on August 24. Make sure to check out the link in the description box. Coming back to the topic, let's play some 4K videos. Looking at the stat, we can see initially 3-4 frame drops, which is completely fine for most of PCs. My main PC also does this. Moving on, we are going to run a CPU benchmark test on Geekbench 4. Okay, we have single core score of 2586 and multi-core score of 9430. I would say it's really good. My main PC has a Ryzen 9 5900X and you can compare the scores. This tiny PC beats when it comes to single core score. Now let's play some games. Here I'm running GTA 5 on low graphics settings with full HD resolution. If we turn on the FPS meter, you can see I'm getting above 60 FPS. Sometimes it goes up to 80 FPS. On average, I'm getting 65 FPS at these settings. It's very much playable and I'm really impressed by its performance. Next on the list we have CSGO. Again running really smoothly. I'm getting above 90 FPS on this one. Last but not least, we are going to test video editing on Premiere Pro. As I mentioned earlier, I have been using this device for 2 weeks. I edited my latest short video on this device and I didn't face any issue. It's run exceptionally smoothly. In terms of performance, I believe this machine can actually replace your desktop PC. I'm not a fan of laptops and I was searching for a mini PC that I could use at home as my secondary system and carry around with me when I'm going out of station and staying in hotels. All I need is just a portable monitor and I can use it anywhere. Due to its slim design, it's really easy to carry around. One interesting feature is that it comes with a standby battery providing you up to 5 hours of sleeping time. For example, if I put this PC to sleep, unplug the power and then plug back everything after a few hours, it will resume exactly where I left off. And that's conclude my review on this device. I really like this mini PC and I genuinely recommend it to you. Be sure to check it out, link in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and don't forget to comment down below with your thoughts on this PC. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.